on. Make the bomb sound.
Shush.
Make the bomb sound. Oh, I see the fox right over there.
Wow. Those are llamas.
I wonder if that was like his mating call.
It's going out.
Maybe he'll do it again. Do it. Gosh, of course you get the camera out and then it won't do it. Oh, there we go. That's cool, yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, there's a fox over there.
Hey, it's in my way.
Hallie, say hi.
Hi.
Into the camera right here. Right here.
Hi.
You're so cute.
Oh,
What?
those are guanacos.
What are guanacos?
That thing.
Wow.
Kind of looks like a llama, but it's not. Oh, it is a llama.
Oh.
Well, that's part of its it's part of the llama species. Isn't that the species and then that's the genus? Is after that? I don't know. It's been a long time since I've been in school.
Allie, stop right now. Stop right now.
Hi. Hi.
Stop right now. Yeah, I see him.
Where? Right there.
Do you see the iguana? Oh, there's another tortoise right there. No iguana. What? It's that bird again, huh? See the iguana yet? I didn't know there was
Tree.
more than one kind of iguana.
Probably in the tree. Getting ready to attack.
Well, it was in the water.
It was.
Lots of tortoises.
Do you see it in a tree?
Where's the tortoise?
Right there.
Where?
Down there. See him?
Wow. Yeah. Maybe I have to do it.
Don't get up though. Okay, let's go look at some more animals.
Wow.
Huh. Oh,
What?
that branch was in my way.
Whoa, look at that.
Oh, cute.
Hi.
He's got a baby on his back.
Oh, the one with the baby. Come back over here.
Allie, just stay right here for a minute.
Let's go right here.
There's the one with the baby. Oh, guess you can fall off. Allie, did you see the mommy carrying the baby on its back? Maybe it has two heads. Whoa, there goes your stroller.
What? Hey, look, there's another one, Mommy.
Ah.
No, Hallie, you're scaring him. Okay.
Let's go without me.
Yeah, I gotta open the door.